All right, hello, welcome to the weather update. It's 10 o'clock on April 18th, 2021. And a lot of clouds around most of the day today, at least here in Nassau. Some parts of our area did have sunny skies, but we pretty much had these clouds around most of the day here. Looking at the satellite here right now, you can see clouds over Long Island and pretty much the whole area. We're dealing with clouds, maybe some breaks of clear sky here and there. This is the satellite. This is what it started out this morning. You can see already you had the instability cumulus popping up, and then as the day went on, a whole bunch more popped up across the area. However, the Hamptons, the South Fork managed to stay mostly sunny most of the day, but for the rest of us, we're kind of stuck in the clouds and dealing with more clouds again, and not a lot of sun except in the morning, of course. So let's take a look at what we got going on outside right now with the temperatures, and you'll see temperatures generally in the low 50s across the area. That's generally seems to be where we're at. Dew points in the 40s, and we're going to go look at our high temperatures now and see what we got up to today. As far as our high temperatures go, let's see how we did. So temperatures got into the 60s today. More or less everyone got into the mid-60s, except for the east end of the Hamptons where they were in the upper 50s. Mid-60s pretty much everywhere across the area today, because we did start off with northwesterly winds. If you look here at the observations out of Islip, you can see we had northwest winds until about the afternoon, and then a sea breeze kicked in and dropped those temperatures down into the 50s, and it cooled things off. Generally speaking, everybody got up to the mid-60s despite all the clouds around. We still had some sun, enough sun to get us there. So let's take a look and see what we got going on right now across on the models here. You can see we've got this upper level low, the cyclonic flow that we still got going on across our area. So of course we're dealing with these clouds popping up and and some really isolated showers. We move this along. We look at the week. You'll see here that we'll be dealing with that trough to our west tomorrow. And then we have this cold front this next storm that will be approaching. So we're staying dry Tuesday, but this storm will bring a much stronger cold front through, strong northwest winds. It's going to be a cold high that's going to build in Thursday and Friday and bring us hopefully some clear skies that'll be enough to clear us out. And then another high builds in, it looks like, for Sunday as well. So we're getting into a more progressive pattern where things appear to be moving along a little better. We go ahead and we look at our temperatures. So you can take a look at that cold front coming down. You'll be able to see clearly. Look at that. So we'll be warming up, especially for Tuesday. And then you can see that cold front. Here it comes, coming through and bringing the temperatures down as we head into the latter part of this week. So let's take a closer look and see what is going to be happening. We're going to go to the HRRR here. And we will go and we will look at the... actually, we're first starting with precipitation here. So let's go that. And we'll do the 0-0 HRRR. So as we head into tomorrow, you'll see that there's the slight chance of there's some showers that pop up. It's really questionable, and there could even be a thunderstorm in here. It's really questionable if we'll be seeing any of that. Obviously, it's this instability, and there's also a trough, a little line of trough that's going to be coming through and touching off some scattered showers and possibly a thunderstorm. This is the HRRR. The Weather Service doesn't seem to mention this at all. Maybe this is a little overdone. We'll have to look at some of the other models and see if that's actually going to happen. But that's a possibility. I think more west of the area than over Long Island, west and north, because I think there will be a sea breeze tomorrow, which will help hopefully keep some of this stuff at bay and stabilize things a little bit. You can see there's another area of low pressure that's forming off the east coast there. It looks like another low that seems to be trying to form. Then Tuesday, we're dry, but we've got more of a westerly flow in place, so I think our temperatures will be warmer that day. This is what it looks like on the HRRR as far as the precipitation goes. Let's look at the temperature forecast on this as well, so you get an idea of what happens tomorrow. So you see, looks like there will be a sea breeze. Warmest temperatures you're probably going to get near 70 in New Jersey, perhaps breaking 70 in New Jersey, New York City, and perhaps the North Shore of Nassau County. Sea breeze comes in, cools things off. And then Tuesday, we got more of that westerly, southwesterly flow. So I think a lot of us get up to near 70 degrees or over 70 on Tuesday with a sea breeze on the South Shore that will be developing, it looks like, in the afternoon. So we can also look at the NAM3 as far as the precipitation threat goes for tomorrow. Do I have enough of the 0Z? And I do not. So we got to look at the 18Z and see. NAM, yeah, you can see it does pop up some showers and thunderstorms, but mainly to the west. But there could be some thunderstorms in here. But this is mainly an issue for the areas to the north and the west of Long Island. And if you're in New Jersey especially, there could be a possibility of some of that happening. And again, because it's warmer there. So that's what you can expect with those warmer temperatures. And we can also look at the wind here, and it'll kind of show you what I mean. Well, I'd rather use the other side for that, for the wind, I think. So let's go back to the temperatures now. We'll show you what's going to happen with this cold front that's going to come through here. So, obviously, this is the GFS. You can see there's the front approaching. Here's Wednesday. Front moves through Wednesday. That would be our next chance of rain. And look at some of these. Look at some of the contrast in these temperatures. Some areas maybe near 60 in our area, but just the north and west are in the 30s. So that's how strong of a cold front this is. Wednesday night temperatures barrel into the 30s. And then for Thursday, it's going to be a cool, windy day with highs only in the mid to upper 40s. I don't even think we'll see 50. Maybe if you're in New Jersey, you'll see 50. Friday, we moderate closer to normal with temperatures in the 55 to 60 degree range. And the weekend, we once again get a little closer to normal to above normal. All right. Let's go look at the skies. The next thing we're going to do here, obviously, this is the GFS, and you can see it does have a good deal of clouds around tomorrow. It won't surprise me. Here's Tuesday, probably dealing with some high cloudiness. Wednesday, still dealing with clouds. It's Thursday, we might have a chance to clear it out. GFS seems to think there'll be a lot of instability cloudiness. Friday would be a day with more sunshine, and then more clouds for the weekend, and then perhaps clearing it out by Sunday. That is the GFS. Of course, it is a low-resolution cloud forecast. Let's go look at the NAM, which is a much higher resolution cloud forecast. And you'll see, yeah, a good deal of clouds around, especially for New Jersey. Over Long Island, too, I think there'll be a decent amount of clouds. Here's what it looks like Tuesday. And it looks like a lot of clouds to start, and then less clouds in the afternoon. So don't really see any nice blue skies in the next couple of days, at least. We can look at the RGM as well. Let's go to the RGM. So this is the RGM model, and you can see, yeah, just not really going to be really clear. There'll be sun, but there's going to be a decent amount of clouds. There could be high clouds around, too, I think. These look like a mix of high and middle level and then lower clouds. Especially if any thunderstorms develop, they'll have some serious blow-off. Tuesday definitely looks a lot more promising on the RGM as far as having clearer skies. And then this is Wednesday, where we might actually start off with some sunshine, and then this cold front comes through and clears things out. And this cold front is going to be impressive, to say the least. We're going to also look at the dew point. Oh, this doesn't do dew point. Right. Sure it doesn't. All right. So I guess I'll have to go back to GFS to show you that. So you get an idea of what this cold front looks like. So there'll be a little moisture that's going to come up ahead of this front. You can see right there. And then, boom, here comes the cold. This will be much drier air with dew points dropping back into the 20s to show you that. There. So let's look at a couple of other sites here. And we'll look at some other sites here as far as, this is the Ventu Sky site, as far as what's going to happen tomorrow with the wind directions and stuff. So we're looking at the temperatures. And you can see light winds to start. But there should be a sea breeze in the afternoon. Yeah, there will be a sea breeze. But you can see it's warmer inland. Got to be on the south shore at the coast. So that's where it'll be cooler. The sea breeze does strengthen a little more toward the afternoon. So there should be a sea breeze, and that will help stabilize things for Long Island, I think. It should help stabilize things. When we go into Tuesday, that's when things are going to be a little different. Yeah, we've got more of a southwesterly flow in the atmosphere, which means the air over this area will be coming more from New Jersey, so, you know, you really got to be on the south shore to get relief. If you're in the middle of the island, north shore, you'll probably be up in around 70. I mean, you can say relief. It's not like it's going to be that hot, but it will be definitely warmer on the north shore than on the south shore, probably at least a 10-degree difference. Middle is somewhere in between. And you see that southwesterly flow, it will help develop a sea breeze, but you can see that really good westerly component coming off New Jersey, which means the sea breeze will not be that strong unless you're on the south shore or further east. And then it looks like it finally does get stronger by the afternoon on Tuesday, bringing some relief there. for Tuesday. The other thing, let's back it up to Monday now, thunderstorm threat. So we're going to look at this, and we're going to look at Cape for tomorrow and see where the Cape is. And you can see some of it's mostly over New Jersey, and that seems to be where we're going to have to watch out for the chances of showers and thunderstorms. Nothing severe, but definitely the chance for something. And this is the lifted index, quite a lot more over New Jersey. Again, that sea breeze should help stabilize things for Long Island, but over New Jersey, you could see, could definitely be some thunderstorms possible over New Jersey. But I think for Long Island, I think hopefully we can dodge the thunderstorms and maybe even the rain entirely. We'll have to see what happens. But as long as we have that south flow, it should help stabilize things and keep the storms at bay with the cooler temperatures because the sea breeze is colder. And when you have a sea breeze come in, it cools things down. And what it does is it stabilizes the temperature profile because the temperature, when you have a sea breeze and you're in a sea breeze air mass, the temperature rises with height, which is a stable regime. Whereas here, the temperature decreases with height, which is an unstable regime, and that's more likely over New Jersey. So that's going to wrap up this weather update. Take care, and thank you for watching.